Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the views of data. The subject name is Database Management System. So under the Database Management System subject in Unit 1, we are going to discuss about the what are all the views of data. The major purpose of the database system is to provide user with an abstract views of the data. That is, the system hidden the certain details of how the data are stored and maintained. Here we are going to discuss about data abstraction is nothing but not every database system user are not computer trained people. So developer hide the complexity from the user through the several levels of abstraction. Normally what is meant by abstraction is nothing but hidden something from other user. Normally what is meant by data abstraction is meaning you can hidden something from other user. That is abstraction. In views of data, these are three views are available. One is physical level, other one is logical level, other one is view level. So level of data abstraction is a graphical representation. It is a physical level, this logical level, then view level. It may be viewed by some other people. Example of views of data. Here we can mention the separate programming coding. So type employee, the table name is employee, the records employee ID. Here I can mention the employee ID will be stored in a numeric, employee name will be stored in a character format, a department name will be stored in a database character format. The employee salary stored in a database is a numeric format. The code defines a new record type employee with 4 fields such as employee ID, employee name, department name, employee salary. In physical level, in physical level, this is the lowest level of data abstraction. The physical level is called as a at most very lowest level of data abstraction. At physical level, the record employee can be described as a block of consecutive storage location. In computer system, for example, if I take the C programming, we can't able to see where the program is stored. We can see the location where the program is stored. We can't able to see how the memory is allocated. So what is the consecutive storage location of the memory? We can't able to see. This is a kind of abstraction. This is in the physical level. At physical level, the record employee can be described as a block of consecutive storage location. A many database system hidden the lowest level of storage detail from the database program or database admin. Those who are working on a database, they can't able to see how the data are stored in a consecutive storage location in a memory. We can't able to see. The next level of abstraction is a logical level. This is the next highest level of data abstraction which describe what data are stored in a database and also describe what is the relationship among those data. You can see the example. So what data is stored in employee ID? It is only stored in the numeric data. In employee name, it is stored in the character data. The department name, it is stored in the character data. The employee salary, it is going to be stored in a numeric data. And what is the relationship between these data? So employee ID is a numeric and employee salary is also a numeric. It is a relationship between the employee ID and employee salary. And also employee employee name is a character data and department name is a character data. This level of details only is known by the database admin or application level programmer. These details is doesn't know by the end user. The database application programmer hidden this thing from the end user. In this logical level, type definition of record is decided at the logical level. The programmer work of this record at this level, and also database admin also working in the logical level. The end user can't able to see how the data is stored, in what format the data is stored, and what is the relationship between those data. It is also doesn't known by the end user. The next one is physical level, logical level. The last one is view level. In view level, this is the highest level of data abstraction that describe only part of the entire database. The view level can be provide access to only part of the database. So already we are discussing these levels in security problem. We can't able to give the rights to every user for accessing every information in a table. There is a specific view of the record is allowed at the view level. For example, the customer can view only the employee name and employee ID, but can't able to access the employee salary. The employee salary, it is only accessed by the particular employee and the particular employee manager or HR level manager. It is called as a view level. It is the highest level of data abstraction that describe only part of the entire database. It is hidden everything from the user. The next topic, instance and schema. The overall design of the database is called database schema. Here we can see this is the database schema. The schema consists of customer ID, customer name, the customer phone number. The collection of information stored in a database at a particular moment is called as a instance of a database. It is a simply we said schema is nothing but a overall design of the database. What is mean by instance is nothing but a we can make the changes in a database, whether when the database gets changing, while we are going to insert information or delete information or update information, the database is get changed. That is called the instance of database. This is a database schema, customer ID, customer name and customer phone number, and also we can store the customer ID details 101, 102, the customer name Balaji and Siva, the customer phone number we are mentioned here. It is called as a instance of database. So schema is nothing but a overall design of the database. So instance of database is nothing but a information stored in a database at a particular moment is called instance of database. Types of schema. The database has several schema based on the level of abstraction: physical schema, logical schema, subschema. Already we have discussed about physical level data abstraction and logical level data abstraction and view level data abstraction. You all are known what is mean by abstraction is nothing but a hidden some detail from the other user or other end user or other application programmer or other database admin. Schema is nothing but a overall design of the database is called as a schema. Physical schema describe the database design at physical level. The logical schema describe the database design at logical level. The subschema, a database may also have several schema at the A database may also have several schema at the view level. Sometimes it's called as a subschema that describe different views of data.